Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone or with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, and here find the HUAWEI Watch Fit on the list of devices and tap on it to select it. Once you see the device page for your HUAWEI Watch Fit, scroll through it and find the watch faces category. If you don't see this category, it could be because when you install the HUAWEI Health application on your phone for the first time, you had the option to select the region, and if you selected, it could be that you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. So you could try to reinstall the app, select a different region. For example, I selected United Kingdom and it's working, and hopefully that will solve your problem. Now, once you see the watch faces, tap on the More option to open the watch face store, and here we have the store as you can see. Now tap on the Mine option, Mine category, to open the Mine page. Oh, I tapped on something else by mistake. Let's go back. Mine, like this. On this page, scroll down, find the On Watch list, and we have the list of different watch faces, and on this list find the gallery watch face. Once you find it, tap on it. If you need to download the feature package, and it should direct you to this page, and right here we can set up our custom watch face. So first let's select the background, so tap on the plus button, and you have two options: take a photo or gallery. If you select take photo, it will open the camera application on your phone. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face. If you select gallery, it will open the file manager and you can select the picture from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option, but if you want to, you can use the take photo option. Allow the permission. It will open the file manager, select the folder and then picture. Once you select the picture, you need to crop it. Basically, whole picture won't fit on the screen of your watch, so you need to select a part of it to be a watch face. And you can zoom in, zoom out and move around. So position the picture you want it to look like on the watch face. Basically whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. Here we have a preview of our watch face. Now we can tap on style and we can change the style of the clock. Then we can tap on layout, then we can select top or bottom, and then we have widgets, so we can change the widget under the clock. Okay, and then you can tap save to save the watch face and apply it. And here we have it, as you can see. You can also have multiple pictures as a watch face. So as you can see, we have the plus button right here. We can tap on it and select different picture. For example, this one. Like this. Tap on the check mark. Come on. Okay. And once you're done adding the pictures, you can tap on save. And here we have it. And if you have multiple pictures on your watch face, you can simply tap on the current watch face to cycle between them, like this. Okay, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.